What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Greb's Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2020 BMW Z4 sDrive30i M Sport. This vehicle has a 2-liter BMW twin power turbo 4-cylinder engine with 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So the sDrive30i is the basic model, but you can get an Z4 M40i if you want, which also has the same powertrain as the Toyota Supra, which has a lot more, which has like 365 horsepower around that, and it's faster. But even this one's really quick too. It's really fun to drive, and 0 to 60 is in the low 5-second range. We have the iDrive 7 in here, digital gauge cluster. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's pretty snug interior considering it's a convertible. I'm 6'2", so it's a little bit hard for me to get in and out, and there's really not much room for me to relax in this car. But as I said, it's a convertible, so that makes sense. This also has a head-up display. Here's your reverse camera. You have the cognac interior in here, and I like these seats. They look pretty cool. And you have a power retractable roof, which we'll look at right now. For the test drive, I'm going to close the roof because you guys won't be able to really hear much with all the wind noise interference. But I'm going to show you what it looks like to open and close the top. And we'll walk around the car with the top down. So exterior is finished in, this looks like Alpine white. Yeah, it's Alpine white. Looks really good with the cognac, and the black wheels look awesome. It also has floating center caps, LED headlights. The Z4 still hasn't, it still looks the same even for 2025 model. They haven't changed it at all. They may have updated a few little things here and there, but it's basically the same car. I like the way it looks. It looks really nice. Z4 badge. Dual outlet exhaust. The Z4 M40i will give you, rectangular exhaust tips. But overall, it's a good-looking car. This is a really beautiful spec. It's so sporty looking, and I love all the black accents and trims, plus the black wheels. It looks cool. And to close the top, push down the button, or you have to pull it again actually. And here is your wireless charging tray over there. Great placement for it. I like that. But let's get this car on the road and see what it's like to drive. So I mentioned this one's an M Sport. You get the M Sport steering wheel. Also the exterior, you got the M Sport wheels, and it looks a little bit sportier on the outside than a regular one. I'll definitely go for an M Sport if I got a Z4. The M40i only comes with the M Sport design language. Let's put this car in Sport Plus actually. Let's see what it's like to drive it. Very heavy steering. And I took it on the block a couple times already, and I noticed like the exhaust crackles and pops, which is pretty cool for it just being an sDrive30i. This car is very eager to run because of what it is. Transmission is very tuned in a very sporty manner. And as I mentioned, it's quick. Like, this car is plenty quick, even though it's the regular one and not an M40i, because obviously BMW is going to make a Z4 as sporty as possible, right? You're not going to buy a Z4 and hope it's like docile. It's not going to feel that way. It's meant to be fast and sporty. You can faintly hear those cracks and popples, or crackles and pops. Gear shifts have like a nice harshness to them. When you pull the paddle, like car will move, like it'll like jerk the car. It feels like sportier that way, and it feels aggressive, which is good. nice. Visibility is a bit compromised. You will probably be able to see better with the top down, but with the top up, like, it's kind of hard to see at, because like the windows are so small and there's no like rear windows on this car, obviously. So yeah, I love how eager this car is to move. It's very sporty in all of its characteristics. If you're on the taller side, you like my legs, it's kind of hard to fit. That's you. I mean, I'm sure you probably have to like know that before you get the car. But if you're like a shorter person, you'll have no problem getting in and out of the car and being comfortable for the whole ride. But the seats are pretty comfortable, actually. The seats are comfortable. It's just like the space, which is what where you might feel a little bit restricted. Interior gets cold pretty quickly, and I hope it does, considering how small the car is, and it's a 2-seat cabin, right? Let's put it in regular sport mode now. Quick performance. Now let's put it in the comfort mode and just cruise along the road for the rest of today's drive as we head back to the dealership. The lane keep assist is a little bit intrusive. It's very sensitive, so I prefer to keep that turned off. Because even if you get kind of close to the lane, the steering wheel will start buzzing and try to intervene and take you back to the center of your lane or whatever. But yeah, even in the comfort mode, it is a little bit rough. Like going over bumps, like I could definitely feel that. And if the road's bumpy, you'll definitely feel that as well. Like, so, yeah, that's a pretty, on that bump, you can definitely feel like the roughness of the car. Overall, this 2020 Z4 sDrive30i M Sport was very fun to drive. Thanks for watching another video of Drive Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own BMW Z4.